Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Telstra's BigPond customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we first want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to telstra.com. And now once you're here at Telstra, you want to look for the support link here at the top of the website. So it will say support, so click on support. And then under contact us here, we've got get help in my Telstra, message us, etc. Go ahead and click on message us. And now give this a few moments to load. Alright, as it states here, get help in my Telstra. So if you're already a customer, the best way to chat with us is to sign into my Telstra. So click on sign in to chat with us and follow the prompts. If you're not yet a customer, if you don't use my Telstra, you can still chat with us online by clicking on chat now. So if you go ahead and click on chat now, you open up a chat box here and just say, hey, I'd like to speak to your customer support team. Can you please transfer me to someone? And then they should go ahead and do that. Or if you'd rather speak to someone via the phone, if you scroll down to the website's footer here, you will see a contact us button under help. Now just scroll down and now here we go. So here, call us, so you can call them on this number and ask to speak to a customer support team member. Or if you want to chat with us, you've got a chat now button here as well.